Why are we struggling to connect with people in an AI-driven world? You have dashboards, you have metrics, you have predictive analytics, heat maps, and quarterly reports that glow with certainty. And yet, people don't move. They nod, they agree, they comply, but they do not commit. Because here is the uncomfortable truth of 2026. Data does not create belief. Stories do. In an era where artificial intelligence can generate insight faster than any human team, raw intelligence is no longer persuasive. Influence has migrated elsewhere, into meaning, coherence, and emotional credibility. Today, we're going beyond analytics. We're decoding strategic storytelling as the missing leadership skill of the AI age, through the integrated lens of EEQ, AIQ, and SSQ. If this resonates already, pause for a moment. Like this video, subscribe, and stay with me. This isn't content. It's a toolkit. The shifting landscape of influence. The AI data deluge. We are living inside what cognitive scientists now call informational saturation. According to MIT's 2024 Cognitive Load and AI study, leaders today are exposed to 5 to 7 times more decision data than in 2018, yet report lower confidence in decision-making. Why? Because data overwhelms the limbic system. Humans do not act on information, they act on coherence. When AI floods organizations with insights without narrative framing, it produces paralysis, not progress. Information is not meaning. Meaning emerges when information is placed inside a story that answers, "Why should I care?" Yuval Noah Harari. The trust deficit. AI has accelerated efficiency, but it has quietly eroded trust. Employees ask, who decided this? What values trained this system? Am I being optimized or understood? Customers ask, is this recommendation for me or for profit? Stakeholders ask, where is accountability when algorithms fail? These are not technical questions. They are narrative gaps. And leadership fails not because the data is wrong, but because the story is absent. Reminder, if you've ever presented perfect data and felt the room go emotionally cold, comment yes below. You're not alone. Imagine harnessing the combined power of EEQ, AIQ, and SSQ to craft powerful narratives that fundamentally transform your leadership style and amplify your overall impact in the business world. Uncover the subtle yet powerful forces that will be shaping influence throughout 2026. Forces that extend far beyond simple data points into the realm of human connection and strategic communication. Data is dead. Long live the story. In this era completely dominated by AI advancements, relying solely on cold facts and figures will inevitably leave you trailing behind your competitors. This video reveals exactly why strategic storytelling has become your ultimate competitive advantage, unlocking ethical AI adoption across your teams and driving lasting success through compelling narratives that truly move and inspire people to act. With the overwhelming AI-driven data deluge we face today, raw numbers alone are no longer sufficient to persuade stakeholders or drive meaningful decisions in business environments. In our increasingly fragmented digital world, the human element, genuine connection and trust, has become more valuable than ever for building lasting relationships and influence. There's a significant and persistent gap between raw data insights and actual behavioral change in organizations. A gap that extends far beyond the confines of any spreadsheet into real-world application. Our power triad begins with EEQ, the ethical empathy quotient, which focuses on connecting deeply with audience values, thoroughly understanding inherent biases, and creating authentic resonance in every interaction. EEQ, ethical and emotional intelligence. EEQ is not softness. It is strategic empathy. It answers, what fears does AI activate in this audience? Where is trust fragile? Which ethical line must not be crossed, even if efficiency demands it? Research from Harvard Business Review 2025 shows organizations that explicitly narrate ethical intent during AI deployment see 23% higher employee adoption. Because people don't resist technology, they resist being reduced. EEQ is fundamentally about building unbreakable trust in all AI interactions, ensuring that our advanced technology always aligns seamlessly with core human principles and ethical standards. Next comes AIQ, the AI Intelligence Quotient, which involves leveraging cutting-edge AI tools for narrative enhancement, precise audience segmentation, and smarter content strategies overall. Intelligence amplified by AI AIQ is not knowing how AI works. It is knowing how to use AI as a narrative instrument. High AIQ leaders use AI to identify emotional language patterns in teams, segment audiences by values, not demographics, simulate scenario stories. What happens if AI becomes a co-author, not an oracle? The leaders of tomorrow won't ask what AI can do. They will ask what story AI is telling and who it leaves out. AIQ empowers predictive content creation that anticipates needs, ensuring your messages resonate effectively and deliver maximum impact with every targeted audience segment. Finally, SSQ, the Strategic Storytelling Quotient, centers on crafting compelling narratives that not only resonate deeply, but also evoke powerful emotions and drive the exact outcomes you desire. Social and Sustainable Intelligence, SSQ, asks the long question: what story does this decision tell over time? It connects organizational memory, social legitimacy, intergenerational trust. If EEQ builds connection and AIQ builds capability, SSQ builds legacy. Without SSQ, storytelling becomes manipulation. With SSQ, it becomes stewardship, translating complex AI insights into relatable human stories means skillfully moving from isolated data points to engaging plot points that captivate and inspire action. Essential strategies for integrating ethical considerations into your content while building strong emotional resonance are crucial, especially when working with AI-generated materials in today's landscape. By using AI to deeply understand diverse perspectives across global audiences, you can tailor truly audience-centric narratives designed for maximum impact and relevance in every context. From data points to plot points, here is the shift every leader must make. Data point, plot point. Let me show you. Traditional AI communication, failure pattern. The model shows a 17% efficiency gain. We automated 30% of workflows. Customer churn decreased by 4.2%. Technically correct, emotionally sterile. Strategic storytelling reframe instead. 6 months ago, our teams were drowning in manual tasks. We introduced AI not to replace judgment, but to return time to human work. Today, one team used that time to redesign a service that reduced customer complaints by half. Same data, completely different nervous system response. Stories anchor abstract change in lived experience, reduce uncertainty, create memory. Neuroscience confirms this. Stories activate 5 times more neural pathways than facts alone. Stanford Narrative Lab. Pause here. If you want a downloadable data story translation template, like and comment story. Fostering adaptive cultures and seamless ethical AI integration within your organization begins with the power of building compelling internal narratives that unite and inspire your teams. Through effective storytelling, you can drive profound organizational change and foster a thriving culture of responsible AI development, all while leading with clear purpose and vision. Ethical AI through narrative. Most AI ethics frameworks fail because they are written like policies, not stories. But ethics lives in examples, not clauses. Instead of saying, "we mitigate bias," Say, here's a moment when the system failed and what we changed. Transparency builds credibility faster than perfection. One Fortune 500 case study, 2025. A financial institution openly narrated an AI bias incident internally before regulators intervened. Result? Higher employee trust, lower whistleblowing risk, stronger external reputation. Why? Because the story acknowledged fallibility. Ethical storytelling does not weaken authority, it humanizes it. Navigating the complex ethical minefield of AI requires using carefully crafted narratives to clearly communicate its limitations and promote full transparency across all levels. Building adaptive cultures through story. Cultures are not built by strategy decks. They are built by the stories leaders repeat, the metaphors they choose, the futures they describe. If leaders describe AI as replacement, fear dominates. Surveillance, resistance grows. Partner, curiosity emerges. Language precedes behavior. Adaptive cultures use living narratives. What are we learning? What surprised us? What did the AI get wrong? And what did we? This keeps intelligence distributed, not centralized. Quick reminder, if this reframes leadership for you, subscribe now. The next videos build practical toolkits on this. Sustaining long-term influence demands developing robust storytelling strategies that go far beyond fleeting viral moments, focusing instead on enduring engagement and loyalty. Sustaining influence beyond the viral moment. One story is not strategy. Sustained influence requires narrative consistency, ethical coherence, adaptive revision. Your AI story must evolve as models change, society reacts, values shift. Ask quarterly, what story are we telling about intelligence? Who benefits from it? Who feels excluded? This is SSQ in action. Your storytelling approach must continuously adapt and evolve as AI capabilities advance rapidly and societal norms continue to shift in unexpected ways. Your strategic storytelling toolkit. Let me leave you with 5 practical instructions. Narrate intent before outcome. Explain why before what. Translate metrics into moments. One human example per insight. Use AI as a narrative analyst. Ask it, what fears might this trigger? Name ethical boundaries explicitly. Silence erodes trust faster than mistakes. Rehearse the future aloud. Stories make tomorrow feel survivable now. Integrate these key principles into your daily influence efforts using your personal AI storytelling toolkit filled with practical steps for immediate application. Data can optimize systems. Stories move humans. And in the AI age, the leaders who endure will be those who can integrate intelligence with meaning, speed with ethics, and power with responsibility. If you want the strategic storytelling framework, leadership prompts, and training modules, they're linked below. Like this video, subscribe for what comes next, and share this with one leader who still believes data alone is enough. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, human sense-making is the real advantage. Mastering strategic storytelling in the AI age is not just about crunching data. It's about truly mastering influence, fostering adaptive cultures, ensuring ethical AI integration, and achieving sustainable success for your organization.